To apply the cups, first put a generous amount of cream on the bottom of the foot so the cups stick really well. Next, flip the cups inside out by pressing down on the center portion of the cup. Then press firmly on the edges to flip the cup back over and secure it to the foot. Apply 1 cup each under the ball, center, and heel of the foot. Leave the cups on approximately 5 to 10 minutes to allow the cups enough time to stretch and pull the fascia. To take the cups off, place a finger under the edge of the cup, break the seal, and gently remove the cup from the foot.